Well, we know what that music means. It's time for some garden goodies, and it's a little too early for Justin to put his lemon trees outside just yet, but he's looking to the future and how he can try and get even more lemons.
This week on Garden Goodies, we're going to talk about lemons once again. My lemon tree here, and this is actually a sentimental tree. This is offspring of an original tree that I received as a gift way back 25 years ago, and I'd like to keep it going. This one's getting a little bit older, and the pot is a little bit root bound in the bottom there. So what I'm hoping to do is take a cutting or two off of here and root a new tree. But now, do I know anyone in the area that could help me with that? And I know Norm Defner, who lives in the Wausau area here. He's a great gardener, and he's going to help us root some new lemon trees.
First thing we got to do is take off the outer layer of the stem, the distal end, the very end. We take off about maybe an inch, and just gently, you don't want to scrape it completely down to the wood, because we need that cambium. That's the area right under the bark. So what I'm doing is just very gently scraping off the bark. Then the next thing I'm going to do is dip it in this rooting powder. So now the next thing we do is we're going to dip this thing, and we're not going to tarry too long doing it because we don't want this to dry out. So I'm going to put this stem into this rooting powder, and you'll see how it sticks. See how that sticks on there?
Mm-hmm.
But what we don't want a whole bunch of rooting powder. So what I'm going to do is try to tamp off some.
Okay.
Then we're going to go to our rooting media, which is really just saturated with water, perlite. You want to have it moist because the plant will not survive. And we're going to make a little opening in here now, because now we're going to stick in this rooted cutting that's got that powder on it down in here. And preferably, we want it so that this leaf stays in the center. And then we just put this over the top like this, and that with this part of the leaf facing, that outside facing to the outside. We put it in the window and we're all set.
So now our cuttings are ready to grow some new roots, and we'll check back in maybe a few weeks to see how they're doing. But in the meantime, we're going to have a nice lemon treat on Garden Goodies. Thank you so much, Norm.
You are welcome, Justin.